So today I am cleaning the studio, which means that all of this bullshit is going to find homes, whether it be in here, in my shed, or even out in the fucking garbage. It is Thursday, which means it is garbage night, which means I will be making some very tough decisions on stupid things that I have been hanging on to for a very long time, and what I want to do with them. Primarily right now, I am focusing on this corner here, which has been neglected. It's been a catch-all for shit. We have Spider Central living under here. I have the vacuum cleaner that I should have brought, but I carried this tote because I need to get those rocks that are behind that wall into here, so that can go there for now. And let's make a path back across to get the vacuum cleaner. There goes an easel. And we're gonna try and suck some of those spiders up into the vacuum cleaner and call it a day on them, because I don't do spiders, but I've gotten better at it. Dog cone for the dog that doesn't wear cones. I haven't had to since we had them fixed, actually. But doing the dangerous stuff, I'm holding my phone. I should have just put this in the tripod, but I didn't. So yeah, hold that. Don't fall now. You guys hang out, because this is going to be a process. I will we'll plug in the vacuum cleaner. When I come back, we'll pause it for a second so you guys don't have to listen to that shit. Also, I'm going to need the flashlight on the phone so I can see, where I'm sucking. I know what I said. I can't believe I'm about here. There we go. Maybe if I take the skateboard off the ground, be smart. There we go. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of OSHA violations. I have the lights in here too. I can do this. Eric. Relight. Oh, that's a little better. Not great, but better. All right. Oh, look at you. You're not even looking at me anymore. Get back over here, everybody. So yeah, let's go suck at work. Okay, everybody. We are back, and I have done some work. Hold on, let's bring it out. Okay, we're already as far as we can. So I put this in here. My wife's gardening stuff is underneath. I took away her crate so that I can use those as a base. I am planning to put canvas totes over here for now. These are canvases that are going to be repurposed into jewelry and or pieces I just don't care about right now that are still in progress. But I think this is a good place to serve as any right now, because we do have the it's all sealed up, and now we got the air conditioner in here. The dampness is not going to be an issue. Never is in the winter. In the summer. I just freaking run this thing like a mad fiend, and yeah, we're just killing some spiders right now. So back to work. Modularly, we are getting there. We have a cube now that I've built out of grid wall and shelving. I've got a long ways to go, but we're getting there. I can see how to get through the garage again. It's just right now I'm flashing back to when I first started on social media, and my garage was actually our storage space, and that's all it was. There was no room. There was tables in the center of the room with saws everywhere. I literally had shit everywhere, and you could not exist in here to breathe, let alone create. Now I'm getting back to that, and I'm trying to get out of that. I have the door from the closet in the house because the missus is working on painting the house. I have all the grid wall from all the shows because I pulled it out of the shed, and I don't want to bring it out to the shed in this 90-degree weather, so I decided to turn it into fixture in here so that I could have more shelving space and storage for the canvases. And I have these mirrors that my friend gave me that I don't know that I'm going to be able to use, so I've been holding on to them, but I don't know for how much longer. I mean, it might be as simple as taking them out of the frames and tossing the frames they're in, but I don't know. We'll see. It's a lot of work. It's just a lot of work. So transparency being what it is, I have to accept the fact that I am a human and I do make mistakes. Things are missed, and even though I have robots in my life to do things, I missed a customer for Bolt Voltage. Courtney, I am so sorry. I did, in fact, miss a notification on my phone. Must have been a very busy day when it came through. We had been going back and forth for a couple days trying to figure out why her card was not processing on my website. But she had a confirmation of payment. I never sent out a copy of the book. So I now have a book and an I'm sorry print that I'm including with this book because really, that's just how I do business. It is now June 19th, and she made a payment in May that should have been fulfilled by now. I don't do that. It's happened a few times in the past on orders, and one was because of Canadian customs. This was because of just dumb dubs. Not dumb luck, dumb dubs. So I'm fixing my issue, fulfilling, just waiting on the appropriate channel to send, and I'm going to hook this thing up with a little bit of extra love, you know? It's the way Dubs does. Even if we have to push into tomorrow, this package is going to pack quite a punch.